complex numbers. So given, let's say z1 is equal to a plus bi, and z2 is equal to c plus di. So to divide z1 divided by z2, we need to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So z2 conjugate, and to find the conjugate, so this will be a plus bi over c plus di times the conjugate of the denominator, which is c minus di all over c minus di. And so when we write that, you will have a plus bi times c minus di all over c plus di and c minus di. That is simply a difference of 2 squared, so we write that as c squared minus di squared. And so that is simply, when you look at this, this part here would simply be c squared minus d squared, I squared, and I squared is minus 1. So we can, the whole thing here can simply be, we can write it as c squared plus d squared. All right, let's try to apply it now. Application. All right, our application. So example 1, z1 is equal to 3 plus 5i, and z2 is equal to 2 plus 3i. So z1 divided by z2 is equal to 3 plus 5i over 2 plus 3i, and we multiply both sides by the conjugate, so that will be 2 minus 3i over 2 minus 3i. And so it's going to be 3 plus 5i times 2 minus 3i all over the difference of 2 squared minus 3i squared. And so this will give us, the top part is going to be, we multiply that using FOIL method. Okay, and so we'll have 6 minus 9i plus 10i minus 15i squared all over 4 plus 9. And so let's clean it up a little bit. So this will give us minus 15i squared is simply plus 15. So 15 plus 6 is 21. Minus 9i plus 10i is going to be plus I all over 13. And when we divide that, we'll have 21 over 13 plus I over 13. Thank you for tuning in. That will be the solutions to the division.